Okay, I am making my Cardinal Soap, and basically this soap was all about the prep work for it. So I kind of want to create that like birch tree look with a cardinal for a pop of red. So I just kind of poured mixed patterns of gray and black and white. This is a different one. And I'm gonna kind of like put them in so hopefully they look like trees. And then I will have the cardinal in. I have two different cardinals in there to look like, I'm hoping, just give it that pop of color and kind of look like it's in a forest. So I color this white with this tiniest bit of blue in it. Like, I wanted it to just be slightly, have a blue tinge to it. So I'm hoping that that comes through. I'm using Sparkling Apple Blossom from Brambleberry. So I'm really curious to see how that goes, like smells in the soap. And yeah, I'm just hoping that I can get these to stay vertical. Already it's not staying vertical. I mean, again, not the end of the world if they move. Look like branches and whatnot. So yeah, anyways, we'll see what the end result is for this. I'm hoping that it's cool. Like, I really want it to look neat because it was a lot of work actually making all of the prep pieces. So yeah, here's to hoping it gives that kind of birch tree look with the pop of red from the cardinal. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna, again, like I said, right now I'm just kind of sticking this in and hoping that it looks good when it's all said and done. Wish me luck. So it's time to cut it. I am very curious to see what the inside, how the inside turned out. I hope it's as cute as I imagined. But let's find out. So this one is the cardinal that kind of looks like it's sitting. And well, that's interesting. Not quite what I'm kind of missing. I feel like I'm missing a piece there. And I feel like some of these churned a little bit. Like that one has more. I said these all kind of, like that one shifted sideways, these all shifted. They were, well, I was trying to put them in vertical. These are a bit more. The bird just feels like it's floating a bit, but I mean, abstract, I guess. I curious what the other one, like, I felt like this bird was easier to kind of put in vertical with everything. Or this one, like I said, I think it kind of shifted and knocked some of the stuff. Like I said, they just went sideways. I'm wondering too, like, I almost thought I'd put one of these like somewhere in the center, but I was afraid with, especially with this bird, that it wouldn't work. So, okay, well, that's the first batch. A little bit abstract. I knew it was probably going to be abstract to a degree, so let me clear off the cutter and I'll cut the other loaf and we'll see what I think of that one. So I have to say, I thought I was putting too many pieces in, but I don't think I put enough. Like, I think I should have just done vertical pieces, multiple ones, and put the bird in between. I mean, I couldn't with this one, it wouldn't really fit, but I mean, it's abstract, it's cute, don't get me wrong. I like that the bird, the cardinal, just pops. But like, I really thought I was putting in more pieces than are actually here. And then of course the pieces have shifted, like that one fell over, and which is fine. Again, abstract, not a big deal. But I really, oh my gosh, those whites practically match. I added a tad bit of blue hoping to give us a tint, and it does have a tint, but it's just funny, like,